So you guys wanted to see how I set up the Goliath? Let's do it. I run a panel detection first in Slingshot. I turn the machine and the two towers on. Connect my laptop to the Goliath's Wi-Fi network. Then I select the sensor's channel. Now once it's connected, I rotate the yellow spinner to calibrate it till the light goes blue. I then enter the panel dimensions. I place sensor 1 onto the yellow spinner on the Goliath. Then I hook sensor 2 to sensor 1 to confirm positioning by pressing sensor 2's button till the light flashes blue. Then I hook sensor 2 to the grey spinner on the Goliath. Now once both sensors are connected to the Goliath, I press calculate path to generate G-code. Then I tap send to Goliath. Now before starting the project, I calibrate the Z-axis by placing a spanner under the bit, pressing the yellow button to drop the spindle block and then removing the spanner. Finally, I press the yellow button again to start the project. And now you get to sit back and watch the Goliath do the work. I will be priming and painting these very soon and installing them on the house, so make sure to follow so you can see how it turns out.